Okay, now let's retrieve the Vitagen bottle or the Yakult bottle. So we go to Chrome and we're going to go to 3D Warehouse. Now 3D Warehouse is widely used by the graduating students to get the context drawings. So we go to the website now. Now this is where you can realize that all these few things, a lots of things, okay, lots of products, models are actually created and shared online. So here is where we're going to look for Yakult bottle. Okay, you get retrieve one. So we're going to download, okay, and will appear here. Okay, now fully loaded already. Go to show all, show in folder, and we can open it up. Okay, same way, working millimeters, choose template is already done. Set up SketchUp. Now there will be two SketchUp files that's already open. Okay, now in the event there's an error just now that they state that your new model, so what will be good is that you go back here again, click on it. So we go for download. Download the 2017 model because currently the SketchUp you're using is 2017. Okay, so we should be able to use the latest one. The latest one will always have appended number at the back. So the latest number will be the last or the most updated one. So show all, show in folder, and this is the one. Okay, so choose template will accumulators and start using SketchUp. Okay, if everything is okay, it comes up. Now, if you see carefully, all these are shaded, so thus is not a component. So let's make it into a component, select. Okay, maybe we can select first, copy, Control C to copy, go to our Vitagen bottle file, Control V to paste. Okay, and this is where we can make it into a component here. Okay, this file that we have earlier, you can close it. So you're just going to work on everything down here. So currently, let's check the size of it. So let's look for the front view, the current size. So if let's say I can't, this is dimension from the top to the bottom. Okay, it's slightly more than 147 millimeters, 1047 millimeters. So it's very, very big. So what would be good now is to adjust it to a smaller size. So this is a scale function. Scale, point to point, bring it down lower. Okay, now it's very small, you can't see. Look for this. Zoom extend, click on it, it becomes bigger. So let's get the measurement again. So currently it's about 19 cm. So it's still very, very large. So let's adjust one more time. Click on scale, bring down, and zoom extend one more time so that it goes wider. Easier for us to do measurement. So currently this is about 4 cm. Okay, but Vitagen bottle is slightly wider in height. So let's adjust a bit more. Let's make it a bit wider. So perhaps about 7 cm. Okay, let's make it up to about 7 cm. Okay, 7 cm is 70. So but this is 70.2. The best we can get 70.2. Okay, the closest we can. So this is the size I'm going to work with. Can get rid of the measurement. Go to the measurement dimension. Click on erase. So this is the size of the Vitagen bottle we're going to work with currently. Okay. So this is in a rectangular box, so hence it is a component by itself. So let's do front again. Front view. These are the different views of the camera. Front view. Okay, let's create the cross-sectional view of your Vitagen bottle lamp. So I'm going to create the dimensions I'm looking at currently is 70 by 90. Okay, or if you want, you can get it 70 by 70. So 70, 70, which is 7 cm by 7 cm. Okay, currently this size. Okay, mine is a letter Z, so I'm going to bring it down 3 because that's the size of the thickness of the acrylic piece that you're working with. Okay, let's create a pencil. Perhaps I create another tree here. Okay, just to be precise. So got this to here. So I use a pencil to mark out the dimensions nicely. Okay, and remove the lines of the ones that I do not need. Okay, then let me get rid of the delete guides and let's do a sectional view. Okay, this is the cross-sectional of the things. So let me go and give a thickness. So thickness is 70 and I got it done. Now currently it's already done. So let's shift my Yakult bottle. Let's turn it upside down. So go to the move function. When I click on the move function, the 4 plus signs appear. Sometimes it will be just 2. So currently the 4 plus signs, shift my mouse to one of them and then I rotate. Okay, and then I shift it closer. Now I need to create a hole here. And sometimes the hole won't be nice. So what I'm going to do is go from the top view, shift my this one all the way in the center here. Okay, so currently is, and I look from the front view. So let's use the X-ray view. So there is where it cuts into almost everything. Okay, let me shift this down. Okay, so if I were to see, okay, shift it again, so shift it in. So currently I got the cross section view. Remove the X-ray function. So this is how it will look like. Now I need to create the holes. Okay, so let's create the holes. So what I'll do is that I select everything, right click, I need to intersect with model. I need to right click again, select everything again, right click, I intersect with selection, and now I will have to select everything and explode. So this is where I'm going to remove the different parts until I get a clean cut. Okay, this one will take a while, so just diligently just remove everything. Okay, there are a few layers to it, so sometimes you might need to remove a bit more like this. So you just have to select the ones. Just be mindful that if you do not select the wrong one. If you do make a mistake, you press Ctrl Z and should be all fine. Okay, continue to do this until you get to the point of clean parts.